Jatend Kenya Martha Karua koro dwaro ni jatend piny Kenya William Ruto kod jalupne Rigathi Gachagua duto wuog oko e apisi. Karua koni e kinde kao pach jopiny ewi dwaro mar thicho oko Gachagua. Jo-Kenya nowuo ayanga ni gionge gi kod jatend piny Kenya kod jalupne kendo winjogi duto giwuog e apisi. Olon jatend piny Kenya kata jatend Kenya Kwanza oseketo ratiro mar oganda timo winjruoge magalagala kaka keto JKA e lwet kambi mar Adani kod riko okumba mar thieth kendo winjo Ruto gi Gachagua duto wuog e apisi.
They came in as a pair and they'll go home as a pair. That was the message of Kenyans. The presidency and the entire government were impeached by Kenyans as far as we are concerned on the 25th of June this year during the Gen Z protests. The exercise therefore arranged for the impeachment of the deputy president ironically turned into a reminder of the entire presidency and government that they stand impeached by Kenyans. The Ruto regime had hoped to divert Kenyans from the economic sabotage that is going on. The shaded deal of mortgaging Kenya's premier gateway, the Jomo Kenyatta International Airport. We've also seen the dismantling of a working health system. We have not forgotten seeing the tears of an old man who had been denied dialysis. But this is just one person. How many others were crying out there, not under the glare of the media, without us knowing?